It's a new year, and on the first day of 2021, everyone's talking about a vaccine to fight coronavirus. Well, the hopes are definitely high for the magic vaccine bullet. The Drug Controller General of India has hinted that we're likely to have a COVID-19 vaccine very, very soon. An expert panel in the Central Drug Standard Control Organization will be holding a key meet that's at 12 p.m. today. The experts will be taking a decision on the application from Serum Institute of India for the use of the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine, Covishield, for emergency use. The second candidate is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Zydus Cadila's vaccine is also in advanced stages and waiting approval for the third stage of clinical trials.
India is getting ready for a COVID vaccine rollout. If all goes well, it might happen in January itself. The biggest indicator on the planned nationwide vaccination drive came from Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself in a speech he gave at the foundation ceremony of AIIMS Rajkot.
दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टीकाकरण अभियान चलाने के लिए भारत की तैयारियां जोरों पर है। मुझे विश्वास है कि जिस तरह बीते साल संक्रमण से रोकने के लिए हमने एकजुट होकर प्रयास किए, उसी तरह टीकाकरण को सफल बनाने के लिए भी पूरा भारत एकजुटता से आगे बढ़ेगा।
The Prime Minister urged citizens not to pay heed to any rumors on vaccines.
किसी को बुरा दिखाने के लिए सामान्य मानव का कितना नुकसान हो रहा है, इसकी परवाह किए बिना न जाने अनगिनत काल्पनिक झूठ फैलाए जाएंगे। कुछ मात्रा में तो शुरू भी हो चुके हैं। मेरा देशवासियों से आग्रह होगा कि कोरोना के खिलाफ एक अनजान दुश्मन के खिलाफ लड़ाई है। अफवाहों के बाजार गर्म न होने दें।
The subject expert committee in the Central Drug Standard Control Organization will meet on Friday to study the vaccine trials data submitted by the Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech. United Kingdom has already approved the use of Oxford vaccine being manufactured in India by Serum Institute. The British regulators say Oxford vaccine efficacy goes up to 80% when the second dose is given 3 months after the first one. They, however, added that there is no evidence to prove a half dose followed by a full dose can increase efficacy up to 90%. India, meanwhile, will begin a vaccine dry run across the country on the 2nd of January. The 2-day dry run has already been completed in Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Gujarat this week. The dry run is to check efficiency in all stages, from transportation to actual administration of the vaccine.
Now, all eyes are on the crucial subject expert committee meeting that will convene on the 1st of January 2021 to finally decide which vaccine candidate will be given the final approvals to kickstart the vaccination drive in India. Dry runs will begin on 2nd January, but good news with the vaccine approvals could come anytime soon in the new year. With Ajay Thakur, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.